This week, Mon visits his great-uncle's farm. There's a cow and a buffalo. But wait, are they the same? Correct! Mon knows them so well. Buffalo has dark skin, long horns, and a big body. Dark skin helps buffalo stay cool and avoid insects. Buffalo likes mud. It keeps them cool and bug-free. Buffalo uses its horns to protect itself. The cow is smaller, with yellowish fur and short horns, or sometimes no horns at all. Farmers use the dung of both buffaloes and cows to fertilize the fields. Buffaloes and cows can live peacefully together. Mon tries to feed the buffalo, but it's a little shy. Maybe it's not used to new faces. Mon rolls the hay, ties it to the gate. Then he steps back. Mon thinks the buffalo feels safe, so it comes to eat. It's eating. Good job, Mon. Oh, what's Mon doing now? Mon's trying to pull some hay for the buffalo. Mon is still tying the hay, so focused. The hay fell on the ground. The buffalo refuses to eat. It doesn't like dirty food. So smart. Today, Mon learned the difference between cow and buffalo and found a smart way to feed a shy friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mon's channel. New adventures are waiting.